Expressing deep concern and anguish over the rising crime rate in the capital, Prime Minister Narendra Modi summoned Delhi Police Commissioner B.S. Bassi just a few hours after a suspected break-in at the Holy Child Auxilium School in New Delhi. The Prime Minister asked the Police Commissioner to speedily investigate the recent incidents of vandalism and ensure that the guilty are brought to book.
Honorable PM ने मुझे बुलाया था. उन्होंने अपनी गहरी चिंता प्रकट की और उन्होंने मुझे कहा कि दिल्ली पुलिस जो है चर्चेस की सिक्योरिटी को एनहांस करने के लिए भरसक प्रयास करे.
The Prime Minister also spoke to Home Secretary L.C. Goyal over the phone and directed him to take steps to check such incidents and ensure women's safety. Authorities at the Holy Child Auxilium School are also calling it a case of theft with no motive of hurting religious sentiments. Approximately 12,000 rupees was stolen from the principal's office that was ransacked after disconnecting the CCTV cameras at the crime scene.
Approximately 12,000 rupees are missing. No religious articles are being destroyed, so it is not a religious issue.
No vandalism has occurred.
Yeah.
Though the police says that the matter is prima facie one of robbery, it is serious. In investigating the cases that have occurred so far, and efforts are on to ensure such incidents are not repeated.
स्कूल के अंदर में एक उनका जो बॉक्स है, डोनेशन बॉक्स है, चर्च से काफी दूर पे है, उससे चोरी हुई है. ये चोरी का वाकया है. ये इसमें हमें शक है कि कोई इनसाइडर का काम है, जिसे मालूम था कि कहां पर सीसीटीवी कैमरास भी लगे हुए हैं और डेसिग्नेशन का बिल्कुल भी ये मामला नहीं है.
HRD Minister Smriti Irani, who is an alumnus of the school, visited the campus and met the school principal, even as the government condemned the incident.
The attacks on churches, attacks on schools run by certain religions is absolutely ridiculous. It's absolutely unacceptable by any sane society, and India is a sane country.
Meanwhile, Christian organizations have welcomed the Prime Minister's move and called for speedy punishment for the culprits.
Okay, it's better late than never. At least after 2 months, the Prime Minister has called the Police Commissioner. We appreciate that. So we want the culprits to be caught, brought to book, and also the cases to be solved.
The Prime Minister's directions, coming so soon after the Home Minister's instructions to strengthen the law and order situation in the capital, leads one to hope that the culprits behind these recurring incidents will soon be brought to book. Newsnight Desk, DD News.